have I seriously have 20 seconds of responding. Just hurry up, my signal is so low. I just wanna play Minecraft. Go go to my survival world. No, you. Go. I'm almost. I seriously have 9 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, go. Ooh, why do I spend the front of my treehouse? Ah, oh, there was a village this whole time. 19. What? I have 2 diamonds. 64 already. Okay, 2 stacks. Okay, maybe 16. I have 6. Okay, I don't know how much. Say, okay, why is this here? In the middle of nowhere. I didn't build this. What if this was a block? Okay. This is so weird. Let me get. Okay, you cannot. Ah, you can go up in the back there. Looks like you cobblestone again. Go. Where's my house? Yeah, I really wanted redstone. Somebody put redstone in my house. You ruined my ruin. You ruined. They seriously break two. Wait, three. They break 3 obsidian. I'm serious. I have seriously. How am I supposed? I'm gonna go at my house. I still okay. I didn't. I just okay. Sorry about that, cause I also have another one. I bring to wait. Where's my other one? Where's my other one? I have one. Wait. Go. Go inside. Go. I am so nervous. I am gonna bring out my fire aspect sword. I am so glad. Why did somebody steal my turtle? Go. I am so. Wait, it was a squirrel. Okay. I'm losing how. I saw a dinosaur. Oh, but go. I am so mad that somebody steal. Today is already. Mm, mm. Hey, what? There's so many of these. I keep on seeing this. I'm serious. Not that. Give me all of your wheat, man. Give me all of your wheat. Okay, I am digging. Right, you do this. Okay, you seriously use the totem to. Where's that fox? I'm killing. He's asleep. Okay, he's fire. He's on fire. Okay, why do you stop? What? I'm so mad. I'm digging. Why do I have another water source that I already have one? A water source. I what? Wait. Go to sleep. Uh, go to the lights of mom. I'm gonna make things. Go. Ready to exit. I want to. I'm. I wanna eat again. Oh, okay. I make this lava thing. I'm so dumb. Wait, how did I fill this with water? What is this? I didn't see this before. I already have 13. Okay, I don't have a mob farm. I'm just so this is hardcore. I don't wanna lose my heart and I don't wanna die. What? How are you placing the content? No, 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 no. Oh, I can. Good night for the market. Do I have the carrots? No. Okay, now. Wait. Um, so mad that why do you want to steal my other? Okay, I just seriously, I'm gonna drown seriously. Go. What? What do we? What do we? What do we? Okay, I'm going to the wrong direction. Go. I'm being slown by my. We. And why is there this beyond? I'm mining this. Did I get it, CD? Okay, yeah. It doesn't cause eh, eh, eh. Okay, I am. Oh, I didn't even kill. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, let's be. I'm laughing. Why did I didn't even have emeralds? I don't know what is going on in my internet. Okay, glass. That is. Wait. Do I have more rockets? Yes. I already 25. I'm gonna get my this and flint. I am finding gravel now. I need flint to light my TNT because I keep on finding sand and gunpowder and a bunch of creepers. I bored them at my fire aspect. Hey guys, we're going to the village again. Right, seriously. Tom, tom, tom. Okay. Wait, I forgot. Wait, do I have my map? Of course, no. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Okay. They, I am digging some more dirt. What? I'm gonna drown. Seriously, where am I? Where I am gone. I am gone for the rest. Where I'm gone. Oh, you again. No more. Go. I am so tired. I am so tired. I don't. What? You're duplicate.
Hey, I see your assignment.